What makes psychology a science and how does it help solve real-world problems? The answer lies in research. Research is the foundation of psychology and it allows us to move beyond personal opinions or assumptions and instead build our understanding of human behavior on carefully collected, tested, and analyzed evidence. In this lesson, we'll explore the many reasons why research is not just important but essential in psychology. From improving mental health treatments to enhancing classroom learning, psychological research shapes both theory as well as practice. Now, the first aspect is enhancing scientific understanding of human behavior. Psychological research plays a very vital role in uncovering how humans and animals think, feel, and learn as well as behave. Studies in areas such as memory, perception, learning, and motivation help us explain how people form habits, how they process information, and how they solve their problems. Now, these studies lead to the development of psychological laws and theories that can guide both education as well as therapy. For example, research on short-term and long-term memory has helped educators and psychologists to design more effective teaching methods. The second aspect is applying knowledge in real-life contexts. So research in psychology goes beyond laboratories. It has real-life applications that benefit society. In clinical psychology, research has led to the development of evidence-based treatments for disorders such as depression, anxiety, and schizophrenia. In educational psychology, findings have improved how we assess learning disabilities and design inclusive classrooms. In social psychology, studies help us in addressing social issues such as prejudice, group conflict, and bystander intervention. By translating psychological theory into practice, research becomes a powerful tool for social betterment. The third benefit is improving organizational effectiveness and work environments. So in the workplace, psychological research has influenced how companies manage their employees, design their jobs, and improve productivity. Research on motivation, job satisfaction, leadership, and group dynamics helps organizations create healthier, more efficient work environments. It also supports human resource practices such as performance evaluation, employee training, and conflict resolution. For instance, studies in the industrial organizational psychology have shown how recognition and autonomy can significantly enhance employee engagement. The fourth benefit is supporting safer and smarter design in technology and engineering. So one often overlooked area of psychological research is human factors or ergonomics, the study of how people interact with machines and systems. Research in this field ensures that designs match human capabilities, leading to safer vehicles, more accessible software interfaces, and better workstations. For example, the cockpit design in aircrafts and dashboard layouts in cars are often shaped by psychological insights into attention and reaction time. This type of research saves lives by reducing human error in critical systems. The fifth advantage is advancing experimental methods and scientific standards. So psychological research is known for its scientific rigor. Psychologists use controlled experimental designs to identify causal relationships between different variables. And these methods help in isolating the specific impact of one variable by holding others constant, which enhances the accuracy of the findings. Such precision has helped psychology establish itself as a science rooted in empirical investigation, much like biology or physics. Now, the sixth advantage is the use of statistical tools to increase precision and objectivity. Another important aspect of research is the use of statistical analysis. Through the application of quantitative methods, psychologists can convert subjective experiences into objective, measurable data. So data is collected and then analyzed and interpreted using statistical techniques such as t-tests, correlation coefficients, regression models, and this approach allows findings to be replicated, verified, and generalized beyond the immediate sample, which helps in strengthening the reliability of the psychological conclusions. Another advantage is that research contributes to theory development and evolution. Psychological research does not just solve problems, it also builds and refines theories. Research helps in validating or modifying existing psychological models, making them more accurate and relevant to modern society. It also fosters theoretical innovation, paving the way for new frameworks and approaches. For example, research over time has evolved Piaget's theory of cognitive development by showing that some milestones may actually occur a lot earlier than we originally thought they do occur. So, in conclusion, research is the engine that drives psychology forward. It deepens our understanding of the mind and behavior. It offers practical solutions across fields such as health, education, and industry, and it reinforces psychology's status as a scientific discipline. Whether it is treating a child with learning difficulties, improving the workplace morale, designing safer public spaces, or simply understanding why we make certain decisions, research provides the evidence we need to act wisely and ethically.